Hello, cooking with Miss Lacey. Today, I was thinking about you guys, and I'm famous for making cornbread. And I always use the Jiffy, and my family like to call it corn cake because we like our cornbread sweet. So I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial of how I make my cornbread. I start off with 1 can of cream corn and 1 stick of butter softened. And I always have my vanilla and a little bit of baking powder. And I put a dash of salt just to intensify the sugar and take a little bit of the freshness away. And I'm gonna add some sour cream, a little bit of milk, and some sugar and some eggs. And that's pretty much what's in my cornbread. So I'm gonna start. You guys, I already put my butter in and my corn. Just gonna mix that up a little bit. It's really simple, but delicious. A little bit of vanilla. Not imitation vanilla. You want pure vanilla. Stir that up a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and add my egg. I'm going to add a little bit of milk. That's about all the milk I'm going to use. Put my sugar. And 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Just a little bit of sour cream. And that's going to be all my wet ingredients. And I'm just going to stir that up really good. Until it comes together and be nice and creamy. Smells delicious already. Put 1 box of Jiffy corn mix. I'll put 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a half. And I'm gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And that's my dry ingredients. Now I'm gonna downsize, and I'm gonna use my wooden spoon to mix it up, because now I'm just gonna be mixing. I don't have to whip it up anymore. If it has some lumps in it, it's fine. You don't have to worry about it. It'll all come together. I love making cornbread because everybody seems to enjoy it so much. So that comes together for you. And it's just as simple as that. I have prepared my glass dish. I sprayed it with some butter flavored Pam. And my oven is already preheated to 375. And I'm gonna let it cook at 375, probably about 45 minutes to an hour. Everything gets nice and golden brown. And I like to sprinkle a little bit of sugar on the top, just to have a nice little crisp. When you bite it, it gets crispy on top. Just a little bit. And there it is. And now we're gonna put it in the oven and set our timer for about 45 minutes. Ooh, that's pretty golden brown. Here we go, guys. Our finished product. Nice golden brown cornbread. It has separated from the side, so automatically know that it's done. What a treat. Pretty golden brown. You must try it. Please try it at home and see if your family enjoy it like mine. Have a blessed day.